Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. We're talking about the Hawkins Contura hard anodized induction-compatible Xtra Thick base pressure cooker, a 5-liter model in a sleek black finish. This isn't just another pressure cooker, it's a carefully engineered piece of equipment designed for efficiency, durability, and versatility. Let's start with what makes this cooker stand out. The primary selling point is its extra thick base, a substantial 4.88 mm. This isn't just a number, it translates into real-world benefits. A thicker base is crucial for preventing bulging, a common problem with pressure cookers that can lead to uneven heating and even leakage over time. Hawkins assures us that this base stays flat, ensuring consistent contact with your cooktop and, consequently, even heat distribution throughout the cooking process. This is vital for delicate dishes and for preventing scorching, especially when cooking on high heat or for extended periods. The hard anodized construction is another key feature. This process hardens the aluminum, making the cooker resistant to corrosion, sticking, and wear and tear. It's a significant upgrade from standard aluminum cookware, as it creates a surface that is not only durable but also easier to clean and maintain. This means your pressure cooker will look and perform better for longer. Compatibility is king in modern kitchens, and this Hawkins cooker scores highly here. It's induction compatible, thanks to the permanently attached plate of AISI 430 grade magnetic stainless steel. This makes it suitable for use on all domestic gas, electric, halogen, ceramic, and of course, induction cooktops. This versatility means that no matter what kind of stove you have, or if you plan to upgrade in the future, this cooker will likely work for you. In terms of capacity, the 5-liter size is ideal for families or for those who often cook for guests. It's specified as being suitable for 5 to 7 persons, which is a good guideline for typical meal portions. This size offers a good balance between being large enough for family meals and not being excessively bulky for storage. Now, let's talk about the actual cooking performance. The combination of the thick, flat base and the hard anodized material means the cooker heats quickly and evenly. It also retains heat well, which is a characteristic that contributes to more efficient cooking. Pressure cooking itself is inherently faster than conventional methods, and this cooker seems to amplify that benefit by ensuring that heat is distributed uniformly, allowing ingredients to cook through evenly and thoroughly. This leads to perfectly cooked dals, vegetables, and meats without the need for constant stirring or worrying about hot spots. We also need to consider the safety features, which are paramount in any pressure cooker. While the product details don't go into exhaustive specifics on safety valves, Hawkins as a brand is known for its robust safety mechanisms, typically including a safety plug and a locking mechanism. You can generally trust that this cooker will have been designed with user safety as a top priority. Let's summarize the pros and cons. The pros are undeniable: the extra thick, non-bulging base for even heating and longevity, the durable hard anodized construction, its broad cooktop compatibility including induction, and its efficient cooking capabilities. It's also a good size for medium to large families. However, there are always considerations. The 5-liter capacity, while good for many, might be too large for individuals or very small households, leading to underutilization. While the hard anodized surface is durable, it's still recommended to use wooden or silicone utensils to prevent scratching, though it's more resistant than non-anodized aluminum. Also, like all pressure cookers, there's a learning curve involved in mastering cooking times for different ingredients, but this is inherent to the cooking method rather than a flaw of the product itself. In conclusion, the Hawkins Contura hard anodized induction-compatible extra thick base pressure cooker is a robust, reliable, and highly functional addition to any kitchen. Its thoughtful design, particularly the emphasis on a durable, flat, and thick base, coupled with its wide compatibility, makes it a standout choice. If you are looking for a pressure cooker that offers speed, efficiency, and longevity across various cooktops, this Hawkins model is definitely worth a serious look. Link in the description.